Hi, how are you? Let's draw an ice painting. You can see it's a solid wood, and we're going to put the acrylic color on top of it. Here, we're just putting the grasses in the bottom layer. You can see lots of green grasses here. Okay, taking more green. Okay, and we're going to draw a tall tree here in this position. So let's take a little brush and going to draw the tree. Okay, so putting the outlines like this one from here, taller tree is coming up. Okay. So there's the dark red color, and we're going to put the black color shade on one side of the tree. Okay, so on the left side, let's put the black color. Okay, putting the color here. Okay, few branches of the leaves just putting here. So few branches we're going to make, putting the branches here. All right, so that's the basic outline for the tree I'm going to draw. Now I need to put some green color along the dark line of the tree, just putting the colors. You can see, just putting more thickness into the main branches of the tree. Later we are going to draw the details, so putting more thickness here. So almost done, only last one. Okay, going to put it. Okay, let's take this type of brush and drawing the tree branches, the details, so you can see the details looking nice. Okay, so each tree is having its details. Looking good. Awesome. So the tree is done, just drawing the other. You can see the main branch here. Okay. And here we're going to put a straight line at the middle of the canvas, just to show the distinctive point where the sea ends and the sky starts. Taking the other brush and just putting the lines little bit darker. Okay, here is the tree, you can see. All right, now we are going to draw a boat and a sailman. The boat is a pointy boat on both sides. Putting the colors. Okay, here let's put the three colors of the boat and making the ends pointy. All right, you can see the reflections on the water, few reflections you can see. Okay, a boatman sitting in the back, and this is the driving tools with which he just propel the boat to the forward. Awesome. And you can see few birds fly in the sky, just putting it like the alphabet B of the English letter. Okay, also drawing few other birds in the same direction. So usually, you know, when the birds fly, they just fly together, flying together. So drawing the long wings of those birds. Awesome. And the line in the middle, just making it a prominent darker line, putting the next layers on it. Awesome. Taking the colors of the tree, putting it here. Okay, so it's a very simple scenery and not taking much time. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.